Olivia. I am back with another video, and today I will be doing a nail inspired video. Today's tutorial should be really easy, really simple. You only need a couple colors, and I'll be putting my own colors in just because I have a ridiculous amount of nail polish that I collect and it sits under my bed, so I thought, why not take them out and do something really fun? I'm really excited because I love the fall season. I never really got to experience fall living in Florida, so now that I live in New York, I am really fortunate to be able to experience all the seasons. So when I'm getting inspired to do nails on myself, I typically will go and just look up whatever theme that I want, and I pick out a couple that I like and I kind of just combine them all. Today I'm going to be doing a cool little triangle, a pumpkin, and then little spooky eyes. But the main colors that you will need will be orange, white, and black. And possibly if you have a nail polish that has a skinny tip. So let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so first things first is the base coat. So next you want to get a black nail polish. Next you're going to paint these two white. Alright, so next I'm going to take my orange color. Next, on this finger, I'm going to draw two white dots. So the last step is going to be the detailing. For the triangle, you're going to want to just follow the outline of the orange. And you'll want to also make little dots on your ghost's eyes. So this should be pretty close to your finished product. And last but not least, we will apply our top coat. Now we just gotta wait for it to dry. Thank you guys for encouraging me to continue doing my videos. It's been really fun to have the opportunity to continue to do them, and it inspires me, and I hope that I inspire you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any more video ideas for me, go ahead and comment down below. But thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!